Namaskar, friends. Normally, when an insurance agent goes for a call to the client, after listening to the agent for 20-25 minutes, normally the client says, "Okay, friend, I will think over your proposal and then I'll get back to you." Normally, after agent's departure, client does not think over the proposal simply because nothing important, nothing attractive is left with the client to see. To fill this gap, I have tried to make a small tool. This is a 24-page booklet printed on thick art paper, all colored papers, and the title of this booklet is Life Insurance, Why and How to Purchase. So an agent, while leaving the client, if he puts his stamp on this with his name and mobile number and leaves with the client and says, "Sir, while you think over my proposal, if you find time, please go through this small booklet also, which can be read in 20 to 25 minutes. The chances of a client going through it are very high because one, this is very small, attractive, handy. A client may or may not read it immediately, but certainly in the night, on a weekday, on a weekend, while traveling, the chances are he will read this. At least I think 2 out of 3 people will be reading this at some point of time. And if a client reads this, the chances of his buying insurance policies are very high, because I have discussed some need analysis in this. I have discussed the most common objections raised by the client. Now one of them is, I don't need insurance now. The other is, I have a life insurance policy already with me. The other policy may be very small. And the third is, please convince my chartered accountant, he only will take a decision for me. And in the end, I have mentioned the time value of money, that earlier the better. He should take his insurance decision immediately, and he should take a decision instead of taking no decision, which is almost a negative decision for the policy. And why this client will be attracted to read the whole booklet? Because the first page of this booklet is very catchy, very attractive. It has only 5-6 lines. And what is written there, I would like to tell you. It begins, life insurance is not required by somebody who definitely knows, one, that he will remain alive for the next 20-25 years. 2, he will always remain healthy and in earning position. And 3, if he does not survive, then his relatives will take care of his family the way he has been taking. And in the end it is mentioned, if you know it definitely, then you are the first person in the world to know this. And if you don't know it definitely, then please go through the subsequent pages. I have done certain trials. Many people have found it very attractive. I think if an insurance agent spends small money on this booklet, the price of each booklet is 20 rupees. If an agent say distributes 100 booklets, the total investment is 2000 rupees, and this investment can be covered by sale of just one additional insurance policy of any amount. And my estimate is 100 booklet will help the agent sell 20 to 25 policies more than what he has been selling or what he has been expecting. So I wish you all that you take advantage of this tool, which has been offered in Indian market for the first time to the best of my knowledge. Thank you.